Rainbow Lattice Sunstone. Rainbow Lattice Sunstone is truly a gem like no other. Discovered in 1985 and officially declared a new gemstone type by the GIA in 1989, this extremely rare stone has only been found in one place in the entire world and is unlike any other seen before. The combination of organic matter, color, and shimmer give this stone an explosive appearance that is truly remarkable. Rainbow Lattice Sunstone is a member of the Feldspar family, which also includes Moonstone, Sunstone, Labradorite, and more. Rainbow Lattice Sunstone is unique in that not only is it a combination of Moonstone and Sunstone, but also an entirely new variety in this family of stones. Moonstone is a type of feldspar that displays beautiful when moonstone and sunstone are present in the same stone. This is sometimes called eclipsite. What differentiates Rainbow Lattice Sunstone from these other feldspar family members is the lattice pattern of inclusions within the stone. The lattice is comprised of thin sections of magnetite that run parallel to each other between the layers of feldspar. The magnetite can appear as either lines, streaks, or as equilateral triangles within the stone. Magnetite typically appears metallic black, but oxidization and other geological processes cause the mineral to gain a rainbow shimmer or iridescence, hence the name Rainbow Lattice Sunstone. The geometric shapes combined with evanescence and iridescence within this incredible stone create a truly rare phenomena that is not seen within any other stone. What can appear as black lines in the stone is certain lighting quickly turn into an explosion of color as the stone is shifted in the light.